Hey guys, what's up? We're back with another vlog. We're just walking around Los Angeles right now. We went to Olvera Street, had some lunch there. Now we're just going back home to rest for a little bit because we're going to the Red Sox Dodgers game tonight. Go Red Sox. So that'll be fun. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say right now. All right, so we're at Dodger Stadium. We're about to see the Red Sox play the Dodgers. Go Red Sox.
That's over 43%. Clutch can be defined as a moment when heroics are required. Adrian Gonzalez and Nomar Garcia-Parra as they present.
With nobody out, and then he get out of it.
Number 2,
Because I don't
Xander
know how to do
Bogaerts.
it.
First base, number 13,
It's kind of like
Anthony Ramirez. 5, Jackie Bradley Jr., number 18, Aaron Hill. Sandy Leon, 64, Bryce Reds. Pitcher number 35, Stephen Wright.
Because, you know, it's kind of hard to keep track of everything he says. So I just said I don't know. It's like one
Yeah!
This is what you came for, lightning.
All right, guys, we're heading out of Dodger Stadium. Red Sox won 9-0. Can't complain. I'm gonna close out this vlog. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.